Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiara and we are on a home buying series. This is my first home. I'm a first time home buyer. And if you haven't already checked out my first video, check out the link in the description where I show you a beautiful 5-bedroom D.R. Horton home. So today we are going to compare that first home with this beautiful new construction townhome. So my wish list, what I really want in my first home is minimum 4 bedrooms. I want 2-car garage with an open floor plan, a kitchen with granite countertops, and that's pretty much. And I want hardwood floors. That's pretty much it. Not too many demands or specifics. For me, the kitchen makes the home. As long as the kitchen is beautiful, I'll feel at home because I love to cook and I love for the family to be able to have a beautiful place to gather. So this townhome is a little bit more expensive than that single family home, surprisingly. But because the lumber here in Atlanta, the lumber is going up in price about $20,000, and it is being pushed on to the buyers. Fortunately, there are different programs that I'm going to talk about in other videos, in my future videos, to help you to get an idea of how to strategically purchase these new construction homes, because there is some money out there and there's some resources out there. I'm going to give those to you in the next couple of videos. But here in this townhome, we have 4 bedroom. We do have a 1-car garage, so that is something I would have to compromise with. And what I really love about this home is there's a huge room downstairs on the first level. When you first walk in, it's like you have the garage and then you walk in on the first level. You have a room that to me will be more of an office / lounge room. It has a full bedroom in that room downstairs. Then you go upstairs and then you have the kitchen. It's an open floor plan, and you have the living room space. You could put a dining area in there if you please. And then we have a 3rd floor. This townhouse has 3 floors. And then up there you have 3 more bedrooms. One of the bedrooms is the master. And so in the video, I'm going to show you the 3-bedroom, 2-story plan. They did not have the 3-story plans available that were fully furnished and fully done. Mind you, these homes have not even been advertised. Like, you would have to have an agent or someone in connection with these homes in order to even know about it. Like, that's how fast the inventory is going in here in Atlanta. And mind you, with Atlanta being such a mecca of entertainment, music, the cost of living is amazing for all that you're getting here. So the homes are just going so fast. They're currently working on the Manchester plan, which are the 3 stories. They're going to do another Manchester plan. If I choose this home, I'm going to try to get in on the next building, which is going to be another Manchester, and then we have the 2 stories. So you're going to see the completely finished, beautiful 2 stories, as well as I'm going to show you the raw footage of the 3-story, which you're going to kind of have to use your imagination a little bit because it's not finished. So without further ado, I'm going to stop talking. I want you to go ahead and take a look and let me know what you think.